Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. We're going to do a quick hands-on look at some of the artist capabilities of the new Surface devices announced today. So that means the Surface Pro 7. I'm also going to have a list of top accessories to use with the Surface Pro 7 and with the rest of these devices. Please subscribe, and let's jump right in. So from what I can tell right now, there's no significant improvement in the Pentek at all. It's exactly the same from my testing, maybe slightly different, and that could be driver updates needed with the Jitter stylus, but the rest of them perform just as they did in the Surface Pro 6. So one thing I would like to also point out is I am doing a fast charging test on this with the Tanker Extreme Elite's 100 watt USB-C power delivery power bank. And right now it's also charging at the same speed, so that fast charging might be something that again needs to be enabled in a future update. I'm in a relatively noisy space, but it appears that the i5 model does not have a fan. This has the i5 1035G4 CPU, the 10th gen Ice Lake chip. So here you can see I'm in the Surface, and we set this to 3 from 7. It's the same pressure curve as the original one. Undo. This is the Jitter. And I should change the pressure curve back. Let's put this at its stock. A little trouble with that one. This is the standard Surface pen, so it should be the same as this right here. Again, pressure curve is kind of messed up on this, in my opinion. Here's the Wacom Bamboo ink. Really a nasty looking line. Lacqueromo. Really similar. It feels the same to me as it does on the Surface Pro 6. And the Raphael stylus. So we have to turn this one on. So we press this right click button. That little light flashes. Again, this one is my favorite. It's very, very light. The pressure curve works well. The lines are clean. Definitely my top choice right here. We're going to do the same test in the Surface app. This is a Surface pen. Let's drag this over to 3. And this is the type of pressure ramp that I want to see, but this is set to 3. Let's put it back at 7. without changing any settings. You can see the Raphael does a really good job here. Now this does not support tilt, so we're not going to see any of that action. Yabwin. This one had some connection issues earlier. It seemed a little bit like it was losing the line. And that could be something that a driver update would fix. It's bamboo ink. Lacaramo. Yeah, the pressure curve on this one is really nice, but the line is just so nasty. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have questions, put them in the comments, and I'll look forward to bringing you more information on the Surface lineup as it becomes available.